Wow. Wow. Bro, you're killing it, bro. Boo, boo, boo. Well, well, well. Okay, guys. Okay. So, Shaman has given us a brand new track. I'm sorry, but I'm a bit late, right? I think I'm like about 17 hours late. Oh, that's a lot, bro. I'm sorry, but this is the time when this video is being recorded. I'm 17 hours late. So, guys, I'll be reacting to Shaman new song. I'm not sure what is it like. To be honest, I saw a football field, so I'm not really sure if he's gonna perform or to do a song or music video on this football field, or it's a FIFA representation in Russia, but I'm not sure. So I'm about to find out, right? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. And note briefly, my throat is a bit hoarse, so this is not my original voice, but I do hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So let's see what Shaman is up against at this point. Well, bro, Shaman looks so cool in this jacket, bro. To be honest, he's just so dope. He's my G, right? He's my Russian G, right? I respect this man so much, to be honest. Oh, it's a football thing. Once that guy opened his mouth, it's low bars. Low bars. When you guys saw he done something like this, right? It's low bars. Guys, Shama music is so nice, right? And I guess he's at a football tournament. I'm not sure what tournament this is, but I guess he's representing for these footballers, right? And what I'm hearing thus far, what I'm seeing thus far, the presentation, the music, the entire production, bro, is lit. And I'm happy for Shaman at this point, because this is a major thing for him, right? To perform at a Russian football tournament, it's to die for. Boo, 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 boo. Excellent voice, excellent energy as usual, guys, to be honest. This is giving me a vibe like I'm in the football tournament at this point, bro. The music, the entire music feedback that I'm getting right now, bro. The people, right, who is cooperating with the footballers, it's giving me a great feeling. Whoa. Incredible instrumental, incredible moves, incredible people, beautiful Russia. No way, no way. Bro, change his stats, bro, change his movement, bro, change his musical voice, and to put it into something different, bro. I like to see artists explore, experiment on different sounds, movements, instrumental beat, bro. This is dope. This is freaking dope. Boop, boop. This is freaking amazing. I gotta say, I love this. I love this. Boo, boo.
Весь мир наблюдает, как мы делаем шаг. Да, моя Россия скажет да, и мы едины навсегда. Как солнце воздух.
Yo, Shaman is very good. He's very good. And I'm not gonna cap, bro. He's very good. And what he's doing now is exquisitely good. Right, for me, it's a solid 10 for me, bro. Boop, boop, boop. Well done, Shaman. Well done. The entire movement, the entire right stadium, the football field. It's freaking dope. Yo. Guys, I'm saying, right? This is so good. This feels so good. Oh my, yo, Shaman, bro. I never knew that you were so good, bro. I always listen to your music in Russian language and I'm a Jamaican. But to see this now, right? It brings you out even more. You've gained my respect even more, bro. Trust me. This guy is a freaking goat. Let's not deny the truth, bro. This guy is a freaking goat. Boop, boop. Yo, this is one of the smoothest circle I've ever seen, bro. This is perfect, bro. The combination is so good. Wow. Wow. Bro, you're killing it, bro. Boo, boo, boo. Rr, rr. Wow. I love this. I love this, bro. I love this. Such amazing formations. Yo, I love this, guys. To be honest. This is so freaking amazing. I'm amazed. I'm amazed, bro. To see Shaman performing in front of so much thousands of people, it gives me chills, bro. And to see all this performance, bro, it's so good. Oh my, Shaman, you are a really great guy. Yo, this is definitely a pass for me. Guys, just look at the field. Look at how they formulate themselves, bro. Damn. Damn. Brr, 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 brr. Shaman, bro, I have to applaud you for this, my G. You are really good. Trust me. To see you like this, bro, in such a beautiful way, in front of so much people, it's a bonus. This guy is really good. Trust me, he's really good. Well done, bro. Well done. Well done. You've done excellently, bro.
Это Шаман! Лужники! Российский футбольный союз!
Wow, Shaman, bro. I love this. I love this so much, my G. To be honest.
Суперфинал Кубка России здесь!
Well done, Shaman. Well done, my bro. Guys, look. If you guys reach thus far in this reaction, leave a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Suggestion, please. I'm hoping up for more.